Hello everyone, this is Shubhadeep from 7 Boats Academy. I'm a senior trainer at 7 Boats. So today I'm going to tell you about how to find conversational keywords or question keywords about a blog which you have posted on your website. So say this is my website and I have written this blog on Play Store optimization. So if I want to optimize this blog even further or create some different topic about this blog using questions like how people are searching about this topic on Google. So before we used to generally use a tool like askthepublic.com to find out this kind of conversational keyword. But now you can use Google Search Console and find those kind of keywords very easily. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's just open Google Search Console first. So once you open Google Search Console, click on Start Now. From here, select your property from the drop down box here, and from here you come to search result. Now once you come to search result, you will see this. You can select the date range from last 3 months or 28 days. I'm going to just keep it at last 3 months, and from here click on this new button and add a condition. So my first condition will be the page. So this is the page. I want to find some conversational keywords and question keywords which people are asking about my keyword. So this is the keyword Play Store optimization. So now I'm gonna add another condition that will be query. So query I'm gonna add like what. Let's see if I can find any questions which are starting with what with that keyword Play Store optimization. I can see that there is no queries like that. So let's remove this one and let's try something else like how. There you go. So as soon as I add this query how, I can see people are asking questions like this about this keyword which is Play Store optimization. How to rank my Android app, how to rank my app in Play Store. So you can see that I'm getting impression but no clicks because these keywords are not added to my blog post, which is this one. So to further optimize this blog post, I can add all these keywords. I can add this keyword as a subheading and write some content about it, or I can even make a new blog using one of this keyword because these keywords are directly coming from Google search. So people are actively searching for this keyword like how to rank my app in Play Store. So people are searching like that. So if you write a blog along this topic using keywords like this, your blogs will rank very fast on Google. So you can use these conditions to find out conversational keywords which people are asking around your blog topic. So we hope you like this video. Do check this out and comment that if it helped you or not. Do subscribe to 7 Boss YouTube channel for more such videos like this. Thank you very much.